अस्सलाम वालेकुम टू एवरीबडी। कैसे हैं आप लोग सब जने? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग फॉरवर्ड टू पार्टिसिपेट इन द क्विज। ये इसका एक ही मकसद था कि हम सब एक दूसरे से करीब हो और कुछ एक दूसरे से सीखें ताकि हमारे काम में आए। मैंने आप सब के आंसर्स पढ़ा, बहुत खूबसूरत आप लोगों का जवाब था। सब बहुत खूबसूरती से समझदारी से जवाब दिए। Having said that, there always has to be a winner in everything, in every competition. अपने पास भी एक विनर को चूज़ करने के लिए मुझे बहुत दिक्कतों का सामना उठाना पड़ा। It was very difficult because all of you guys were so exceptional. Sorry, I have been using a lot of English because I've got more fluency in English than in Urdu, I suppose, where I can express myself more clearly. My question was, why did Allah chose that we should put efforts in understanding taqleed rather than we came into this existence with a pre-understanding of taqleed? Some of you have clearly understood my question. This is what I have gathered from your answers. And some got a little confused because my question was a little tricky. It was a little tricky, hence some of you got confused. But अल्लाह सुब्हानहू व तआला ने अपनी खिलकत बस इसलिए ही किया है ताकि हम अल्लाह को समझ सकें। हम लोग हर रोज़ इसके वास्ते में एक खूबसूरत सा और बहुत सहल सा एग्ज़ाम्पल देना चाहता हूँ कि हम लोग हर थर्सडे नाइट एटलीस्ट हदीस किस्सा पढ़ते हैं जिसमें अल्लाह ने कहा कि मैं एक छुपा हुआ ख़जाना था और मैंने चाहा कि मैं आलम में पहचान जाऊँ। People should perceive me. That is why Allah has said, I have created the universe in love of Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And then he further said, Allah said, I have created Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam in love of Imam Ali. Then Allah said, I have created Imam Ali in love of Imam Hassan wa Hussein. Then he said that I wouldn't have created anything in this universe if I wouldn't have loved Fatima Zahra salamullah alayha. And I have created Fatima sallallahu alayhi only with an intention that I should be recognized, I should be understood, perceived. हम लोग अल्लाह ताला हमारी खिलकत जो किया है वो नेचर हमारे में एक ऐसा डाल दिया जो हम हक़ के तरफ डाइवर्ट होते, मगर अल्लाह ने हमें अक्ल दी और इस अक्ल की बिना पे हमारी खिलकत की, इसलिए हमें अहसनुल खालिकीन का खिताब मिला। हम सब में बड़ी खूबसूरत खिलकत है और चूँकि हमारे पास अक्ल है और इस अक्ल की बिना पे हम या तो फरिश्तों से अफजल हो सकते हैं या हमारे अंदर जो जज्बात है, जो ख्वाहिशात है, उसकी बिना पे हम जानवर से बदतर बन सकते हैं। इसलिए हमारी खिलकत अल्लाह ने किया ताकि हम इस दुनिया में आएँ और अल्लाह को पहचान सकें। हमारे को एफर्ट्स करना पड़ता है ताकि हम खुदा को पहचान सकें। We have not come into this existence with a pre-understanding of Tawheed. What we have come into this existence is a nature by which we can accept Tawheed, by which we can move towards Tawheed, but we have not come with a pre-understanding of Tawheed. Now I'm sure you all have written well, understood well Tawheed, but obviously there has to be a winner. And in our quiz, the first place is shared by 3 people, because all 3 of them were close in understanding my question. The first is Shahryar Hussain, followed by Shazia, followed by Nikhat, because all 3 of them have very clearly understood my question and they have answered to the best of their ability and knowledge. Among these 3, Shahryar's question was very crisp. I really liked it. He tried to explain through the Surah Ad-Dariyat, where Allah has said, وَمَا خَلَقْتُ الْجِنَّ وَالْإِنسَ إِلَّا لِيَعْبُدُونَ, meaning that I have created ins wa jinn only for my ibadat. He tried to explain it in very short words and it was nice. I liked it. So his answer was exceptional. Nikhat, obviously, because she is going through the studies of Hausa, her answer was very academic, and henceforth she has found her place in the winners. And her answer was to the point, very nice, but she has explained in much more than 20 words, and my request was that the answer should be in 20 words. Shazia again, I think so, because she is now going to a institute for Islamic studies, where she is being asked to volunteer as a teacher, and that is the reason why she might have understood my answer or my question very clearly, but she has answered very nice. So I have liked Shahriyar's, Nikhat and Shazia's answer very much. So they have taken the first place and they are 3 the winners, clearly as taking the first place. And their reward would be, I would ask my friend in Karbala to perform one ziyarah on behalf of Mona for Shahriyar of Imam Hussain alayhi salam, and I will ask one ziyarah of Askari uncle for Shazia and Nikhat for winning this competition in first place. Now there always has to be a runner-up, and in our quiz the runner-up is Misam, because his answer was the first, so he has got bonus points. And I have liked the way he has explained and taken efforts to explain Tawheed, so I have liked his answer very much, followed by Fizza, and they both have written very well, so the second position goes to them. For their winning, I would ask my friend to perform a ziyarah of Maula Abbas on behalf of Muhammad Mamu for Misam, and for the Nana of Fizza, who has passed recently, for her winning. Inshallah, my next question will come tomorrow, and I'm sure you guys would participate again with equal zeal and enthusiasm. Wassalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.